equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by removing the screws on the back of the controller. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Carefully use the prying tool to open the controller casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, inspect the internal connections. Look for any loose wires or dirt. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean the button contacts. This can improve connectivity. Next, check the button mechanism. Ensure everything is aligned correctly. If you find any broken parts, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Reassemble the controller by placing the casing back together and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything clicks into place. If you prefer, you can opt for pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Test the controller to ensure all buttons are functioning properly. Enjoy your gaming. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.